the discount in assessing the value of GST tax. We include the discount in assessing the value of GST tax. So we have to be careful with regard to discount because GST is not levied on discount. After discount, after discount, that is before GST, after discount, you have to levy tax on GST tax on the value. Suppose 50,000 is a value. Each suppose one laptop is 50,000. Suppose you are giving a discount per laptop 5,000. So 5,000 minus 50,000 minus 5,000, 45,000. On 45,000, you have to charge GST rate at the rate of 18%. This is speaking of each laptop, but the discount is given overall for 250 laptops. Okay, so what happened to that trader? He returned back complete laptops. Maybe due to deficiency of services. Maybe he has not agreed to the terms and conditions of the contract. So it's asking to show how do you show discount and GST ledger in the Tally software. Now GST ledger means duties and taxes ledger. Now nothing is mentioned about is it intrastate or interstate. You have to assume that it is intrastate only within the state, within the same state only. So you have to show CGST ledger and IGST ledger. Because it's a sales, it is called output CGST and output SGST. Output central tax and output state tax. You have to show that ledger, and also you have to show the discount ledger in the Tally software. Okay, so this is a perfect case of uh, credit note. You have to enter in credit note voucher actually. This is sales returns. You should enter in credit note voucher. Okay, the complete transactions will be reversed. Whatever that entry you enter, right, for selling goods along with discount, in second entry, when you return back, the entire transaction will be reversed. Okay, so this is the thing. You have to create sales ledger, sales account, and you have to create discount allowed under indirect expenses. Again, you have to do some adjustment under discount allowed. Then you have to create a party name, Raj, sundry datas. You have to create output CGST and output SGST. Central tax and state tax, 18% divided equally, 9. Then you have to create stock item from gateway of Tally. You have to select inventory info, select stock items and create. And set GST rate as 18%. Now it is not IGST, this is GST. GST rate is 18%, not IGST. Now, next, what you have to do? You have to go to sales voucher F8, press F8, enter the transaction. This is the sales voucher. F8 means sales voucher. Enter the transactions in sales voucher. Okay. This is a sales voucher. So you can say this is a sales voucher. And then you have to enter the transactions in sales voucher. Then again, I had to make changes in that steps here. Then what happened? The laptop has been returned back. So what you have to do is you enter in the credit note voucher. How to go to credit note voucher? From gateway of Tally, go to gateway of Tally. Then what you have to do? You have to go for the counting vouchers. Then what you have to do? You have to go for credit voucher. What is the shortcut credit voucher? You have to find out what is shortcut for credit voucher. I open the Tally software, then you will find out the shortcut key for credit voucher. Is it Alt plus F9 or F8? What is shortcut key for credit voucher? Alt plus F8. So credit voucher shortcut key is Alt plus F8. Enter in credit voucher. Shortcut key is Alt plus F8. Alt plus F8. Okay. Then enter the transaction. Enter the transaction. This is the seventh step. Now, to view the ledger from Gateway Tally, you have to select display key, go to account books, go to ledger. You can view discount allowed and GST tax ledgers. Okay, so we'll open the Tally software. So tomorrow we'll start the fifth unit. We'll do this problem today. So we'll open the Tally software here. So create a company. So Alt plus F3, create. So create the name of the 3B student, Anushka. Roll number 16. 4 ne? 4. Ecom 3B. Okay. She stays in Panjagutta. Select the state, Telangana. Press Ctrl plus A. So check the accounting, sorry, current period. You have to change current period. Alt plus F2 to change the current period. 1st April 2021 to 31st March 2022. Then you have to enable GST. F11, F3. First is S, second one is S. Enter the number, GST number of some other firm. So 36 double A double C A 4861 C 1 Z 0. It is monthly. It is monthly. Say EV bill applicable, we select no. Remaining is same, no change. Because there is no, we are not taken any advance, and there is no transactions on purchase from unregistered dealer. GST rate is 18%, which is we can set at the stock item level, not at the company level. Accept, yes. Then straight away Control plus A. Then what you have to do is you have to go to again accounting features, because you have to enable debit and credit note to yes. But we have this part. So we have this one. This is very important because you have the credit sales returns transaction. It enable all these things to yes. So under accounting features, this is accounting features. It enable all these things to yes. This is accounting features. Under invoicing part, invoicing heading, you have to enable debit and credit notes, everything to yes. And in a general category, because we have the goods, we have the stock item, so you have to enable integrate and accounts and inventory, you have to make it to yes. Suppose suppose you are selling only services, providing only services, maintain accounts only, you have to make it as yes. Okay. So since in this problem we are selling laptops, it is a goods. So we had an inventory. Okay. So just say control plus A. So just control plus A. So go to gateway of Tally, press escape. Now you have to create ledgers, accounting ledgers, ALC. So first ledger you have to create as uh, sales ledger. There is only one sales ledger. Sales ledger, sales, sales account. Instead of services, say goods. Okay. Then control A. Then next is we have to create discount allowed. This is very important. We are giving discount to others. It is an expenditure to us. It is an indirect expenditure to us. Discount allowed, direct expenses. Now, GST is not applicable on discount. We are not paying GST on discount. You see, you say not applicable, select not applicable. Okay, select not applicable because you are not paying GST on discount. You will get one more option, should be included in accessible value calculation for GST. Okay, we have to include the discount to calculate for GST. So you have to select GST. Okay, one option will get, if you select GST not applicable, you will get one option, should include this discount in accessible value calculation for GST. So select GST. Okay, appropriate to goods, because laptop is a goods. You have to appropriate it, you fix it to goods. You have fixed it. Now what is method of calculation? How the discount is calculated? Not on quantity, on value. So select value. This is very important. Okay. For discount allowed, you have to do these procedures in the ledger. Okay. So you have to select GST applicable, not applicable. Then set alter GST details. We select say no. You will get option called include in accessible value calculation for GST. Select GST. Appropriate to goods. Method of calculation, it is based on value. So this part is very important. So practically this part is very important. This part is very important. This part is very important. First you have to select GST not applicable. That is GST not applicable. If you select not applicable, you will get this option. Include in accessible value calculation for select GST. Then select appropriate to goods. Then select method of calculation should be based on value, not on based on quantity. So this is very important in case of this discount allowed ledger. And it comes under the category of indirect expenses. Okay, right? Understood? So you have to calculate these things, this discount allowed in this way in Tally software. If you want to execute Tally software, you have to select this one in this way. Okay, so that will be not written in the steps. This is understood. You have to do the procedure in this way. So just will remove this. So just save it. Yes. Next part is party name. M by S Raj. M by S Raj. Sundry data. Sundry data. Because it belongs to same state, you enter the GSTN number. If you don't enter, no, you will not get the correct report. You take the examples of any firm because you are doing theoretically. So outside you cannot use it. To get the correct report, GSTR report, GSTR 1 and 2, you should enter GSN number. What happens otherwise? It will show you mismatch of error in the GSTR return. Then there you have to resolve the mismatch. If there is any mismatch in the return, you cannot upload in the GSTR portal. So this mismatch should be cleared. Then only you can upload in the GSTR portal. You can file the return with the government. So I'm entering the sample GSTR number 36 triple A 0 2414 K 1ZG. This is the GSTN number of the Raj party name. Raj is a sundry data. Okay, we have entered the GSTN number of other party name. Right, so enter. Yes. Now you have to create duties and taxes ledgers. There are two ledgers, CGST and SGST. So when you're selling the goods, you have to pay output tax. That is called the output CGST. You can mention at the rate of 9%. Duties and taxes. Type of tax, select GST. Tax type, is it a central tax? Is central tax. Enter. Then similarly, output SGST. At the rate of 9%. Duties and taxes. Type of tax, GST. Tax type, state tax. You can skip that. So save it. Sure. Press escape. We to go to gateway of tally. Now we go to accounting vouchers. We will enter in sales voucher. Press V from the gateway of tally. Press V in the gateway of tally. Okay. Now what is sales voucher shortcut key? It is there. Effect. Okay. Select dummy reference number 76. To whom you are selling party name Raj. Already entered all the details. Your details were entered. Dispatch details we can enter to which mode you are dispatching. The all the details you should enter is sales. So what we forgot to create stock it. But here from here we can create stock it. Okay. Alt plus C is the shortcut key for to create stock it. Laptop. Laptop is a stock item. We have to create it. Enter. Enter. Now in the problem there is it's given a number. Let's give the number. How many laptops? 250. We select the number. Okay. Again, we can create here itself Alt plus C. Let's say numbers. Formal name, numbers. Compare with the unit quantity code. Type numbers, it will come. Press Yes, to accept it. GST applicable? Yes. Then here you have to set the GST rate. Yes. Okay, enter. Classification defined, leave it, skip that. Press enter key. Laptop. Which laptop? Branded laptop. HP laptop. On value. Taxable. It is not exempted, it is not nil rated, it's taxable. Reverse charge, no reverse charge because we are not buying from unregistered dealer. 18%. Control A. Type of supply, goods. Control A. Okay. This is not, again, you will get a go down that you have to disable that go down. There you have the multiple go down there, you have to disable it. Control A. So again, you can enter laptop. So 250 laptops. What is each? How much each cost? Each is 50,000. 50,000. It show negative, but we don't have uh, inventory stock item. Okay, so each is 50,000. Each laptop is 50,000. Amount is will get 1 crore 25 lakhs. Amount is 1 crore 25 lakhs. Then you have to select tax ledger. Output CGST, then output SGST. These are the tax ledgers you have to select. So tax you have to pay 11 lakhs 25,000 each, central and state tax. Total invoice value is 1 crore 47 lakhs 50,000. Total invoice value. So total invoice value is 1 crore 47 lakhs. And what is the taxable value? Taxable value is 1 crore 25 lakhs. Taxable value is 1 crore 25 lakhs. Okay. Then what is the invoice value? 1 crore 47 lakhs 50,000. They'll ask you question in the Viva. What is the taxable value? What is the invoice value? So taxable value is before tax. We'll see the report now. This is the how to enter the sales transaction. Save it. Control plus A. Control plus A. Now we have to enter the sales returns credit note. Shortcut key Alt plus F8. Alt plus Control plus F8. Sorry, Control plus F8. You have to change it there. Steps also. Not Alt, Control plus F8. This is the shortcut key. So Control plus F8. Control plus F8. Shortcut key. Not Alt plus F8. Now you should enter the original invoice number. So 76 I think you entered in that sales voucher invoice number. Enter the date. Enter the party name. Raj. Enter the sales. Enter the product. How much returned back will come automatically total amount. Again, you have to return back the CGST amount also, tax amount also. Then you have to return back SGST also. Okay, so this is the credit note voucher. And we have studied in case of services, the services can be cancelled through either debit note or credit note. Even the goods transactions can be cancelled either through debit note or through credit note. Okay, so enter You have to provide GST details because you have to write the purpose. Why is returning back the goods? Select the purpose. Is it sales returns? Yes. Or it is deficient services? Select any one. We select sales returns. So we write, enter the buyer's debit note number, some dummy debit note number. We enter the date 1st April 2021. Save it. Now, what is asking to show? Yes, asking to show GST. What is that? Tax ledgers and discount ledger. GST tax ledgers and discount ledgers. Okay, so for that you have to go to Gateway of Tally, press Escape, go to Gateway of Tally. Now you have learned in Tally how to go to ledger, how to view the ledger. So how to view the ledger? We studied already in Tally. From Gateway of Tally, what you have to do? You have to press display. Then what you have to do? Then what you have to do? You have to press the select press account books. Click on account books. So press A. Then what you have to do now? Under account books, we have several options, different options. Select ledger. Okay. Press L. Now, which ledger you have to show now? You take the printout of which ledger? Select discount allowed ledger. This you have to take the printout here. Nothing is coming discount allowed. Then you have to take the, this is the tax ledgers you have to take. Tax ledgers. Take the printout tax ledgers here. Then you have to take the printout of state tax ledgers, and this is state tax ledger. Take the printout. This is central tax ledger. You take the printout. Okay. Now you have to see why in the discount allowed is no entries are shown because we entered already. So you have done some mistake. Now how to correct the mistake? You search the, again go to that particular sales voucher, display playbook. Now this is the discount. Now in this case, we are not entered discount here. We are not entered the discount value. So where you enter the discount value, now here you enter the discount value. This is where we will discount. Yeah, discount allowed. So showing you how do you do mistakes. Discount. Now what is the amount? 5,000. Okay. Then you have to select GST. Output is GST. Then output CGST. See, from 1 crore 25 lakhs, discount value is subtracted on the net amount. You will calculate GST. Okay. So, right. So if you calculate GST, if you reduce the discount amount, you will get 11 lakhs 25,450. So control plus A. Okay. So now we'll see the discount ledger. Discount ledger, account books, ledger, discount. Now it is showing because we are not entered the discount in the sales ledger. Now it is showing discount alert ledger. Okay, I take the printout of this screen. and also you take the printout of the output CGST ledger screen and output SGST ledger screen. Okay, so I will forward the steps in the WhatsApp group, and SCR will forward in the general group. Write the steps, execute in the Tally software, take the printout and place at the back of your question steps. Next page is a printout. So this is the thing.